Hi, welcome to today's lesson on Excel Tips GH. In our previous lesson, we introduced the accommodation element as part of the benefit in kind an employee earns. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about the other non-cash benefits or other benefit in kinds. So first, we are going to change this one to accessible income. And then I have some notes that I would love to share with you. This is a practice note from the Ghana Revenue Authority, where we are to look at, we are going to be particular about the taxation of benefit in kind. As per the income tax, if an employee is given any of such benefits as listed here, the first one is an employer providing accommodation for an employee. With that one, we have dealt with it. And then an employer providing for the education of the employee's children. That one, to the value of the employee's children's fees is to be added back and then taxed. And then when an employer provides goods and services at a free or at a cost lower than the market value to the employee, the value of the difference needs to be added back of the employee's salary so that it can be taxed. And when the employer provides domestic servant and security to the employee, for instance, they pay the salary or the wages and salaries of maids and then security of the employee, the value of those payments is to be added back and then taxed. And when an employer absorbs the liability of an employee, that one, the value of the absorption needs to be added back to the employee's gains so that it can be taxed. And when an employer pays utility bills on behalf of the employee, that one also needs to be added back. There are a lot share options too. When there is such a package, it needs to be added back. And there are other non-cash benefits such as fuel coupons, gift vouchers, etc. They are all non-cash benefits which needs to be added back. Now, how are you going to value all of those things? The Act says that it should be based on the market value. And here, I'm skipping to this side. That means that the benefit must be valued as the amount that an independent, reasonable person would pay on the open market to receive the same goods or service. So, this explains itself. Now, there is also another benefit that most companies give to their employees, most especially the financial sector. They provide loans to their employees at a lower interest rate, most often even no interest rate at all. And in such a case, the Act requires that there should be some form of calculation to add back so that there should be some form of calculation so that the benefits the employee earns be added back to his or her salary and then taxed. As the lesson goes on, we are going to delve into all of such issues. But for now, let us include, or let us make some provisions or some adjustment to our payroll to include all of such benefits. So the first thing is that we are going to add other non-cash benefits to it. And with all that we have listed or we have gone through, if there is any of such benefits an employee earns with which you are assessing his or her accessible income or assessing his tax that he needs to pay, you need to add all of them and then input it in the column we are going to create. So let us go back to our Excel sheet we are going to create a space over here, or we are going to insert a column over here. And then we should remove all of these the drop down. We are going to clear all of the drop down. Okay, now it is all cleared. So this side is going to be other benefits in kind. So if there are any other benefit in kind, this is where we are going to add it. The value, okay, let us make it value or market value. For instance, if an employee in a month, or depending on the period of assessment, is given a fuel coupon, the value of the fuel coupon needs to be added here. But it should be noted that value coupons are benefit in kinds, and it shouldn't be added to the car element unless it is something that it's frequently given. In such a case, or it is in such a case, it should be treated under the car element. But if it is something one-off, there is no need to be added or to be treated under the car element. And then gift vouchers, you need to add the value of those gift vouchers in here. Maybe the employee is given airtime, I mean credit airtime for calls. All of the value of those benefits needs to be added here. And then we need to adjust this side as well. So this time around, we need to add the value of the non-kind benefits as well. And then click on this. So the next thing is the loan. With that one, the treatment is a bit complex, but then as time goes on, we are going to delve into it. So in our next lesson, we are going to add reliefs to our payroll system. And then once we are done with that, we are going to make a payroll system which integrates 2021 rate as well, so that when the year of assessment or the period of assessment is in 2021, we are going to use a formula which will automatically change the graduated rates to that of 2021. And if it is 2022, it is going to directly use that as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share so that the work can continue. Have a good day. Bye. See you later.